Hi guys, today I will be showing you how I made this bath caddy. This is perfect for your lockdown and some me time since we have a lot of that right now. Now let's get into the video.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
So I began by going through the stock that I have to find a piece that is appropriate for this project. I tried to pick out the one that I felt had the most prettiest grains. Right now you cannot see it. Once I start planing and sanding, then you'll start to see the grain come out. As this is a reclaimed piece of wood, it has a lot of stains and marks and dirt on it. It will help to wipe it down with a wet towel first before sanding it and then planing it. It requires a bit of determination when it comes to the sanding, but it is well worth it, as I will show you, as the grains pop much better. As you can see, it is very different from when I first grabbed it. The grains are showing much better now. Here I'm marking the cut line so it matches and fits the bathtub I'm making this caddy for. Here I am using the off-cut pieces to use as the supports for a tablet or a book. I'm just placing the tea light candles and the glass to mark out where the positioning of each item will be on the board. I've seen other bath caddies being made with a recessed bit at the front without any back support. I find that quite risky, especially when you go to tap your phone or your tablet and it falls over into the water. That's not very good. So just to not take that risk, I've added a back support and a front lip to avoid that. I don't like to live on the edge when it comes to my electronics. Here I'm making sure my hole saw cutter's diameter is wider than the tea light. This is to ensure it fits snugly. I am clamping the piece to make sure the workpiece stays still when I'm making the hole saw cuts. I used electric tape to mark the depth of the cut. I am placing the straight router bit in the center hole and cutting slowly to the edge line. I am repeating this process for the glass holder, except without the help of a hole saw because I did not have a hole saw big enough, so I am having to do this completely freehand. I decided not to go for a wine glass cutout slot, instead go for a recessed cut using my router, where it gives you the option of using a tumbler glass, a candle, or even a soft drinks glass. I decided to profile the short edges just to pretty it up a bit. Just a bit of light sanding to get rid of the excess splinters. Now I am making a 15-degree bevel cut for the iPad or the book support. I am pre-drilling holes for the back supports to make the connection with 2 screws. Just a bit of wood glue for added strength. I figured I should add pieces at the bottom to prevent it from sliding. I mean, who wants a wet tablet? Just gonna leave it for a couple of hours for it to dry now. One of my favorite part of my projects are when I start staining my projects. It's really nice to see the grains come out and bring the project to life. I would love to try a grey finish on my next project. Please let me know in the comment section what finishes do you like. Just wiping off the excess to give it an even finish. Time to run myself a warm bath. See you in the next video, guys.